Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. If you are tired of looking at your empty and unattractive backyard, we have some fantastic ideas to turn it into a beautiful oasis. Having a space to relax and enjoy the fresh air is essential, and transforming your backyard could be much easier than you think. To create a dreamy outdoor area, focus on privacy. Use high planters or large fences to ensure that you cannot be seen from those around you. Decking is also a perfect way to create space in your yard, and adding slats as a walkway can lead to a hidden area where you can relax. Investing in beautiful furniture is also important. Plastic tables and chairs may make sitting outside an option, but they don't really pull you into the space. Companies like Papaya have inventive design and affordable option to choose from. A fire pit area can also transform your backyard completely. It doesn't have to cost a lot, and adding some logs sitting around the pit will make it a perfect place to hang out with friends. Citronella candles will help drive off pests, and you can also consider hiring a pest control service to keep mosquitoes and ticks away. Make sure to take the time and the money to transform your outdoor space and enjoy all areas of your property. We hope this video was useful to you. Like it, write your comments, and subscribe to our channel. And thanks for watching.